This morning I was honored to open our brand new Joy and Wellness Center here at our school. This is the first of what I hope to be many wellness centers that are open throughout LA Unified to target the needs of all of our students and help them feel safe and welcome at every campus.
From what I saw, it's a really cozy place. When I was in there, it made me feel really comfortable to share what I felt like, and it was a really good environment, just a really calm environment, and it felt really good. I think it's going to help the school.
Schools are places of learning, but schools are places where kids should be happy, and they should be joyful, and they should be feeling safe. And that's what a Joy and Wellness Center does. It brings people together to learn, be happy, and be safe. We have these in middle school and high school also, but I'm so happy to see it at Hamlin Elementary School.
1,